Salam and welcome back to the channel. Today's is about the political situation in Pakistan involving the Pakistan Tehreek-i-Insaf party, also known as the PTI. So, what's been happening? The PTI has announced that it will challenge any move to denotify the current Punjab Chief Minister, Chaudhry Parvez Ilahi, which it believes is unconstitutional. In order to do this, PTI Chairman Imran Khan will address protesters through a video link and announce the party's next steps. There has been some disagreement between the Punjab Assembly Speaker, who ruled that the governor's orders for the Chief Minister to obtain a vote of confidence were illegal, and the governor, who declared the Speaker's ruling unconstitutional and illegal. In response to this, the PTI has called for its leaders, lawmakers, and party workers to gather at the Governor House to block the governor from taking any further action. The federal government has also requested that the Rangers be deployed to increase security at the Governor House. In addition to these developments, there have been allegations that former President Asif Zardari offered money to PTI women MPs to abstain from voting and that some MPs have received threatening calls. On top of all this, the PTI has reached an agreement with the PML-Q party for seat adjustments in the Punjab Assembly and National Assembly. The PTI will offer 30 seats in the Punjab Assembly and 15 seats in the National Assembly to the PML-Q. That's all we have for you today on this political situation in Pakistan. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.